it's Laura, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how I curl my hair. I usually just use this Remington curling wand. When I turn it on, it goes up to 180. I usually just turn it down to 160-ish. I don't like the heat too hot on my hair, just with the amount of times that I actually do bleach it. I don't want it to fall out. When I wash my hair, just to protect it a little bit from the heat, I use this L'Oreal hair oil, and then I use this Tresemme heat activated treatment. I just use a bit of that as well, just to protect my hair from the heat a little bit more. So when I curl my hair, usually I do it in 3 sections. So I take, the first section is usually just behind my ear, and then just about this thick. I haven't really got very thick hair, so I usually only section it into 3 sections. So I just clip that first section up out of the way, and then I just take a section about this thick. The curls that I do around my face, I always do them away from my face, and then any curls in between I kind of just alternate and make them different, just so it doesn't look like a uniform curl all the way around, just to kind of mix the curls up a little bit more, because I prefer to have it a little bit more messy. So I just take the curling wand and then I just curl it around, and then I kind of leave the end bit not curled around. I kind of leave it straight because I prefer the ends to just be more straight rather than curled right round. So I just hold that on there for a few seconds and then just let go, and then that's what I get left with. So I just do this around this whole section. So the next one I will do it towards my face. These usually do come with a little glove that you can put on to stop yourself from burning your finger, but mine, I don't actually know where it went. We're missing. And then I'll just do the same on this side. Take 2 sections. First one away from my face, hold that on there for a few seconds and then let go, and then just the same with that back one there as well. Whoop. So then once that's done, I just take down the clip. My next section is usually around about here. Just tie that up out of the way. And then just clip that up out of the way. And then just start again with the curls, just the same as what we did on the bottom. First section always away from my face, and then just leaving that end bit out straight. Also, I'm in a very good mood today. I woke up this morning to 15,000 subscribers. So that one there, just let that loose, and then take the next section. And then this one is going to go up, forward. So yeah, thanks to everyone that has subscribed to my channel. I appreciate it a lot. When I first started YouTube, I never even thought that I would get 100 subscribers, never mind 15,000. So yeah, very happy about that. I never really do any kind of chatty videos when I do YouTube actually. I usually just do a voiceover or just don't talk at all. If anyone does prefer these tutorials where I sit and actual chat instead of just putting the music over, let me know and I'll do some more. Also, if anyone's got any kind of suggestions for any other videos, let me know that too. Section's done, I just finish on the top section. Usually I always wear a middle part anyway when I have my hair down, so I usually just part my hair off to its normal parting, and then both these front sections I will curl away from my face, then the rest will just be a mixture. Once you've done every section, I usually just put my fingers through my hair, brush it out a little, just so the curls kind of mix in together and they're not all separate curls. Just gives it a more natural look. So just have a play around with your hair, just see how you kind of like it to sit or fall around your face. You could either have side part and you could either have middle. Back comb it a little bit more, give it a little bit more volume. But today I think I'm gonna do a little twist up the front here. So I'm just gonna section a little middle part of my hair. Right, so I'm just going to leave this little bit of hair out, and then I'm just going to loosely tie back the rest of the curls just to keep them out of the way for now. I don't know whether to plait or twist this. I think I'll just plait. So I'm going to do a Dutch braid just in this front bit of hair here. So for this part, you literally just section the first bit into 3 and then just do a regular Dutch braid back up over your head. So yeah, just create a Dutch braid using 3 pieces, and then as you go back just add in a little piece in to the middle section every time. This is a little fiddly if you've never done it before. Sometimes with this bit that you leave down, well, with this bit that you have loose, because obviously you've only got 2 hands, and it gets a little tricky. Sometimes I just stick it and hold it with my mouth. As awful as that sounds, it works a treat. And then it just keeps that section pulled tight at all times. I'm probably going to end up with lipstick all over my hair here, but never mind. So each time you add a little piece in, it always goes into the middle bit. All over my hair and all over my face. But you know, it's worth it to get that braid. Tighten that off with a small elastic just to keep that in place. I absolutely love that lipstick. It's the Fenty Beauty Stunner lip paint. Oh my god, if it gets wet or if anything touches it, it just ends up all over your face. Braid's finished, so I'm just going to take out the rest of my hair, and I've got some hair rings here, and I'm just going to add some of these into just the braid. So just twist them in and then just push them back closed and then just twist them back around. Top section just to give my hair a little bit more volume, just because my hair is generally quite flat on the top, and then I kind of just like give it a shake and then just get it to the shape that I like it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more videos from me. Thanks for watching. See you soon.